Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's daily English conversation.
Our topic today is grocery shopping, something we all do regularly.
Yes, we'll talk about planning a grocery list, going to the store, asking for help, comparing prices, and even checking out at the cashier. So stay tuned. You'll learn lots of useful English expressions for real life. Hey, Jack, what are you doing this weekend?
Not much. I was thinking about going grocery shopping. My fridge is almost empty.
Same here. I opened my fridge this morning and there was basically nothing left. Just some milk and ketchup.
Same problem. Let's go shopping together then.
That sounds fun. We can help each other carry stuff too.
Good idea. But before that, we should make a grocery list.
Right. It's always better to make a list so we don't forget anything or buy unnecessary stuff.
Exactly. Okay, let's start. What do you need?
I need some vegetables, fruits, eggs, bread, and maybe some snacks.
Got it. I also need milk, rice, cooking oil, and some chicken.
Should we get some coffee too?
Of course. I can't survive without coffee.
Same here. Oh, and we should buy some detergent and toothpaste too.
Good call. Those things always run out when you least expect it.
Right? Okay, so our list is vegetables, fruits, eggs, bread, milk, rice, cooking oil, chicken, coffee, detergent, and toothpaste.
Perfect. Let's go tomorrow morning before it gets too crowded.
Deal. Early shopping means fresh products and shorter lines. Wow, this store is huge.
Yeah, they have almost everything here. Let's grab a cart.
Do you want a shopping cart or a basket?
Let's take a cart. We'll probably buy a lot.
Good idea. Okay, where should we start?
Let's start with the fruits and vegetables section.
All right. Look at those apples. They look so fresh.
Yeah, and the bananas look good too. Should we get some?
Sure. How many apples do you want?
Maybe 6. That should last a few days.
Okay. I'll grab a few oranges too. I like making fresh juice in the morning.
Nice. I prefer eating them whole. Eating them whole means eating the fruit without juicing it.
Let's get some tomatoes, onions, and spinach.
Don't forget garlic. I always need it for cooking.
Right. Garlic makes everything taste better.
Do you want potatoes?
Yes, please. Potatoes are so versatile.
Versatile means they can be used in many different ways.
Okay, that's enough for the veggie section. What's next?
Let's go to the bakery aisle.
Wow, the smell of fresh bread is amazing.
I know, I love that smell. It reminds me of home.
Do you prefer white bread or whole wheat?
Whole wheat, definitely. It's healthier.
All right, I'll take 1 white loaf and 1 pack of bagels.
Ooh, bagels sound good. Maybe I'll get some too.
Okay, let's move to the dairy section.
Sure, we need milk, cheese, and yogurt.
Which milk do you buy, full cream or low fat?
Low fat. I'm trying to eat healthier these days.
Nice. I'll take full cream. I like my milk rich and creamy.
Do you need butter?
Yes, good point. Let's grab 1 pack.
And maybe some cheese slices for sandwiches.
Oh, yes. I love grilled cheese sandwiches.
Same. Quick and delicious.
Okay, time for some protein. Let's go to the meat section.
Sure. I need some chicken breasts and maybe some fish.
They have salmon, tilapia, and tuna here.
I'll take salmon. It's healthy and easy to cook.
Good choice. I'll get some chicken thighs. They're juicier.
Do you want to get some frozen items too?
Maybe a frozen pizza or some vegetables for quick meals.
Yeah, frozen veggies are super convenient.
Do you ever buy ice cream?
Of course. Ice cream is my weakness.
Mine too. Which flavor do you like?
Chocolate, always.
Same here. Let's both get a small tub.
All right, what's next?
Let's grab some drinks.
Sure, I'll take orange juice and some bottled water.
I'll grab some soda and energy drinks.
You and your energy drinks.
I need them to survive work days.
Fair enough.
Do you want to check out the snack aisle?
Definitely. Let's get some chips and cookies.
Okay, but not too many. I'm trying to cut down on junk food.
Same. I'll just take one small bag of chips and some crackers.
Do you like popcorn?
Love it, especially butter flavored. Perfect for movie nights.
Good idea. Let's grab a pack for tonight.
Okay, we still need detergent and toothpaste.
Right. Let's go to the household aisle.
Do you usually buy liquid detergent or powder?
Liquid. It's easier to measure and dissolves faster.
Yeah, I agree. Let's take this one. It's on sale.
Great. I love discounts.
Toothpaste. I like the mint flavored one.
Same. It feels fresh.
Do you need any soap or shampoo?
Not this time. I still have plenty.
Okay, I'll grab some tissue paper and hand wash too.
Good thinking. Those are essentials.
Hey Jack, look, this brand of rice is cheaper than the one we usually buy.
Really? How much is it?
It's $2 cheaper for the same size.
Maybe we should try it.
Yeah, sometimes the cheaper one tastes just as good.
True. Let's give it a shot.
What about this coffee? There are so many brands.
Yeah, it's confusing. I usually just go with the one on sale.
That's smart. Coffee can be expensive.
Do you prefer instant coffee or ground coffee?
Instant. It's faster in the morning.
Yeah, I get that. I use ground coffee on weekends when I have more time.
Makes sense. Okay, I think we've got everything now.
All right, let's head to the cashier. The line's not too long. That's good.
Good morning. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like paper or plastic bags?
Paper, please.
Okay, that'll be $78.50 in total.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN. Done. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Wow, shopping always costs more than I expect.
Tell me about it, but at least we got everything we needed.
My arms are sore from carrying all these bags.
Yeah, we really bought a lot today.
At least we won't have to shop again for a while.
True. I love having a full fridge.
Same here. I'm already thinking about cooking dinner tonight.
What are you gonna make?
Probably chicken curry with rice.
Yum, that sounds delicious.
What about you?
Maybe pasta with some vegetables.
Nice. Easy and healthy.
Exactly.
Next time, we should try the farmer's market.
Good idea. The produce there is always fresh and organic.
And sometimes cheaper, too.
All right, I'll drop you off first.
Thanks, Eva. Today was fun.
It sure was. Grocery shopping is always better with a friend. Thanks for listening to our daily English conversation about grocery shopping.
We hope you learned some useful words and expressions today.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English conversations.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.